Myself, Mrs. Sanjana Sukkala of Class 3, Subject Science. We will start with reteaching of Lesson 4, Chapter Birds, Part 2. So, the next topic is claws of birds. Birds use their claws just like we use our hands and legs. They use claws to catch and eat food, to move about and to protect themselves from their enemies. All birds have 2 feet with 4 toes each. Now let's see what are the types of claws. So the first is perching birds. Now perching birds have 3 toes in front and 1 strong flexible toe at the back. This helps them to hold the branch of the tree while sitting and even while sleeping. The next is praying birds. Praying birds have sharp and curved claws called talons. Next clause is scratching birds. Now, scratching birds have sharp claws to scratch or dig the ground to take out tiny insects and seeds with the help of their claws. Now, next is swimming birds. Swimming birds like ducks and geese have webbed feet. Their webbed feet are uniquely which help them to swim in water. The next clause is wading birds. Wading birds have long legs with spread out toes to walk easily in mud. And the last type is climbing birds. Now, climbing birds have 2 toes pointing upwards and 2 toes pointing downwards. This helps them to climb and grip the tree trunk firmly. Thank you.